almost hit him. Huh?
Did I almost hit him? Did you not hear that?
No.
Did,
You let out one?
let out one.
No.
I was like, Yellowstone, dude. Avery's not sure what's going on. Okay, get down, Avery.
You sit down, though?